Come on, superstar. Let's go. Go on my hand. Oh, so sweet. I think he's swimming. Also, we just realized that, or I just realized we don't even have any diapers for Dakota. Give me that.
In 15 minutes time.
Hi, vlog. So we are going to go to the restaurant and get some food. And today, ladies and gentlemen, do this. And I got everything in my backpack, ready to go. Okay, Mommy, I'm gonna bring you the salad. My mommy is doing something, and my sister getting her hair done, brush her teeth every day. Every day. Okay, I got everything in my backpack. And I got some cookies, yippee. Right now we are doing a mukbang today because it's a little tricky. So we made it here tonight. We're going to our airport to the boat. Wait, 1 minute. Hi. Hi. Say hi, vlog. So I'm gonna take you with me.
No, came back to my baby. Huh? Yeah. Go take your baby. Where's your baby? Okay, so we made it to the room finally. In perfect time, because I feel like baby's starting to get that little toot he likes to get. Gonna show them the room, baby. Oh no, you don't go out here, okay? So you have a small balcony out there, which I don't intend to open ever. You don't open this ever, okay? And then of course a bed, and then a couch, and of course the couch is a pull out, but of course the kids will be in the bed with us.
You never ever go. You never ever.
It's just not safe for kids, okay? You have a closet. It's really stuffy in here. I'm pretty sure they turn the AC off when they're not. Alright, it goes 2 ways, and there's a few hangers. I would hang up clothes, but we have so many. It would be like, what clothes do you hang up? And here goes Jelly Bean. And then a bathroom. Oh, you have to step up. Watch your step when you come in here, Diamond. How do you turn the light on? A shower. So you get a shower. Toilet. They give you a toilet bowl cleaner, but we won't be using that. Let's actually make sure it's closed because my kids are curious. Okay, so they did give us wine and a fruit bowl.
As your safety is always our greatest concern, we would like to inform you that in 15 minutes time there will be a...
The first and most important thing is your freestyle demo. Every coming there. Please hold it and put it in your pocket. It's your turn to do now something special. This is a beautiful
So we're gonna try and get some food and chill for a little bit. I don't know what we're gonna eat, but When your kids come from the technology generation and you say let's go, and then she starts saying, hey Google, hey Google. We definitely don't have Google here. But we are at sea. We will be in Mexico tomorrow. I was mistaken. I thought we were going to Cozumel and Belize, but we are going to Cozumel and somewhere else. I can't remember where the other place is, but it's both Mexican cities. The TV is like funny style. I gotta be at the perfect angle, but I did unpack majority of our stuff. Of course, we've been through it, so it didn't stay neat. And I stole, well, not stole, but I took 2 of the laundry bags, or the 2 laundry bags they had in the hotel that we stayed in New Orleans, and I am using those, sorry, as laundry bags. I have 1 more right here, but I'm gonna grab a water. I packed the kids some sunglasses, but it's very overcast, so I don't think you want to wear them? Go put it on. Also, we just realized that, or I just realized we don't even have any diapers for Dakota. I just used the last one this morning. I packed, you know how you get the big box from Costco? I grabbed a whole case of it, and Babe was like, this is not going to fit in our luggage. I'll grab some while we're in Louisiana. We didn't get the diapers. So she has like 10 swim diapers. So we have to find a place on board that sells diapers. And if we don't, we're going to have to buy some in Mexico tomorrow. So hopefully that doesn't turn into emergency. Let me see. Let me see your outfit. Oh, you looking cute. You looking cute, girl. So I showed you guys this outfit that I got her from H&M. It's the shirt, the bathing suit, and the shoes. Somehow, some way, I left the shoes, but I just switched it out with some from another place. I've just got this little romper on from Fashion Nova, or jumpsuit rather. It kind of makes me look a little wonky. It does absolutely nothing for my butt, but I don't know. I'm on vacation, so I don't care. And of course, my bag. Yeah, so we just bought the data plan so we can text back and forth through AT&T. So let's hope this works and I can find Babe and Diamond, because I have no idea where they are. Come on, superstar. Let's go. Go on my hand. Oh, so sweet. Or did I pass it? I think I passed it. Where's the elevators? To the buffet. Yes. Yes. So go this way? This way. The number's gonna be swole. That's a regular number. Yeah. Oh, splash! Cody! She fixed it. Cody! Hi, baby, go! Why he keep his sandals on? Diamond, take your sandals off so you don't slip. Hi, Stink! Okay. Wait, come here.
What did she say? That vacation happened?
Look at him fake swimming. He think he's swimming. Huh? Let me see you do it again. She said, I'm ready. Go slide. Are you getting tired? Good job. we're gonna see how this goes, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be madness trying to get them to the room to change clothes. Dad, you ready to go? You having fun? You ready to go? How long they got?
Huh?
How long they got before they gotta get out?
It ain't even them. It's these 15-year-olds. Like, why you not over there? Like,
where's the lifeguard?
right there. That's their shit.
Because they can't swim.
Bath water, y'all. Come on, y'all should be used to the
Go Cody, go Cody. There's like an actual barber shop with spa products, and then I guess this is a hair salon and facials. Quick question, do you guys offer pregnancy massage? Okay. And how much is the pregnancy massage? 129, and I can just come in or just to call them both? Okay, thank you. Okay, so they do prenatal massage, so I'm gonna come back. Maybe tomorrow, maybe later. It's just if I have a chance and get a prenatal massage. I think she said it's 129 or 125 or something like that. But you just have to be past 3 months, and I am 4 months, like 3 days, 4 months, 4 days. So I'm definitely far along enough. But anyways, I'm gonna find a bottle of water and go back to the kids, and then we'll pick you guys back up when we go eat.
I think that's 7, ain't it?
What is this? This is 7.
You having fun?
Yeah, so 7.
Huh?
He just woke up from a nap. He's tired. He's still trying to figure out where he is right now. Okay, so we're leaving the room. We just woke, or Diamond just woke up from a nap. He just woke up, so he has his sooty face on. I kind of didn't get to finish my hair the way I wanted to, but at least we look decent. But we're all in green today. Yesterday was blue day, navy blue day. Travel day was like periwinkle blue day, and today is navy green day. Tomorrow we're getting off the boat, but I don't think we're gonna dress like tomorrow. That's okay. Oh, also Babe was gambling last night and today. I forgot to bring out the camera, but he lost yesterday and he won today. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to dinner, and we'll see if we can pick you back up later.